Dijo.
What are you guys talking at?
¡Míralo! ¡Ay! ¡Ay!
I don't know. You said to the park? We can go to the park before the sun goes down.
Okay.
So I'll let you know when I'm done with her. Here, baby.
Okay, I'm gonna head out.
Alrighty, let me know when you're out of there.
Okay, I will.
Bye.
Dale, bye. Oh, she doesn't know what she got herself into. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I am in such a good mood because it's super nice outside and I feel like pranking someone. Hopefully, if this goes right, I'm gonna hopefully have 2 victims, which is gonna be Abby. You guys all know Abby, and my friend Karina. You guys all know Karina also. I'm sure you guys have seen this prank with like the honk. It's a prank. So that's basically what we're gonna be doing today. I know everybody hates intros, so I was going to originally make this video like a long time ago. I was gonna do it just only to Abby, but it ended up not happening because I don't remember, but it was cold and whatever. I don't know, I just feel like it's the perfect day to prank them. Let me show you guys really quick the sign. I'm pretty sure if I have the videos of when me and Sam actually made it, like made the sign, I'll insert it now. Okay, you guys, sorry it looks a little bit rough, but I promise I'll make it work. So this is what it looks like. It says honk, it's a prank. I'm trying to rush this because it's clearly still daylight outside, and you know, obviously you can see it better when it's daylight. I couldn't find the, what is that called, like the clear tape or whatever. This was the only tape I could find, so we're just gonna have to go with this one because I don't have time to run to a store and buy tape. So we're just gonna use this one and hopefully it works. Oh my god. Okay, so it has gotten a little bit dark. We're gonna get ice cream, and thankfully she parked where I can go set up the sign. Okay guys, so there it is. I accidentally covered her license plate, so hopefully she doesn't get in trouble for my fault, but anyways, it's on and now I'm gonna go.
Hi. Wait, we're walking and then we turn. Ready?
Okay, wait, dale.
Hi.
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 Ay, ojalá no lo digan. Ojalá no lo digan.
Bye, vlog.
Let me ride with y'all then. Porque, well, Chipotle is right there. ¿Cómo se hace? Let me... Oh, the other side? Shut up, she doesn't know yet.
Oh. ¿Por qué estaba picando?
¿Quién sabe? Ay.
Le gusta. ¿Por qué te ves para atrás y yo soy la camisa? Why was she honking?
Who was honking?
A lady.
Well, they have a whole lot of kids. You think they don't...
And then Choti se agarró y se metió hella fast. She was like, ¿te dio miedo, güey? What? She was scared. Dude, she was like, her face was like lit up, like literally just.
Choti's got scared.
Digo, esto ahorita me va a desgreñar.
That was funny.
We sent her to the back.
Nah, she went to the back because she wanted to, because I was gonna go to the back.
Girl, you were going to the back. The girl that was honking.
She got scared?
Like, yes, dude.
¿Cómo le hizo?
Like you should. I wasn't even scared. Your eyes were like, you're the one asking why she honk. Like, I know. You should ask her. Oh my god, there's literally no parking, you guys. This is a sign that we should go to McDonald's.
I kind of do want McDonald's though.
Do you really?
Yeah, do you want McDonald's? A double cheeseburger?
Yes. Chucky, do you want cans? Sure.
¿Sí o no?
Eso sonó
Como un like,
Can we go to the mall? Just leave the Jeep there. We can bring her back. Oh my god.
Did he really honk at you? You'll get off?
You'll get off.
You'll get off and fight him?
Yeah, you'll get off and fight them. Did you tell him welcome back to my channel?
No, I didn't.
Well, guys,
why is she
Jackie wants to
laughing?
be rude and not introduce herself.
Oh, she's so cute. She's waving.
Did you say hi to her?
Yeah, I said hi to her. She was so cute. She was laughing.
What is Choti's doing?
She's over there laughing. Choti's got scared.
Dude, Choti's jumped to the back so quick. She was like, dude, why were they honking? And then they were laughing at us. Here are the crackheads of my neighbors.
Stop! Are they fighting?
I think so. Creo que le ganó la novia.
dijo.
Te dijo que te muriera. My lights are on. Dang. You can chill. What the heck?
Chutis went crazy. She scared me. I was like, what the heck? Se tiró para atrás y todo.
Ahora voy a decir que te
¿Qué?
No,
Hi. You're so cute. What are we going to the mall for?
Twin date tomorrow with my friend.
Aww,
Oh,
goals.
so cute.
Do you have a twin too?
No. Wanna twin with me?
Aww. Otra vez.
You wanna twin with me?
Aww. It's kind of coming off. Dude, what I'm scared of though is because estoy tapando su placa.
So this is currently a fail because nobody is
Literally.
honking.
Nobody is honking. We've literally gotten what?
Two.
Three.
You didn't record one.
Yeah, I didn't record one of them, but we got 3 honks and that's it. Okay, so let me tell you guys what happened whenever we were getting in the car. Big family with a bunch of kids parked behind us whenever we were leaving, and whoever was still in the car started honking, right? Because they clearly read the sign. And they started honking. And Yesta, like, she jumped in the car and I was just like, oh my god.
I was
And
trying to leave before she...
yeah, before she like turned around, I'm like, why are they still honking or whatever? And so then my dumb self, I got hella nervous. I was gonna jump in the back with her. You were like, the front. I was like, oh, sorry. And then Abby was like, oh my god, she got so scared. But I mean, she knows what's going on. She's been in it this whole time. Hey. Oh, that's why I said parqueate y de reversa.
Oh, let me see if I can.
Yay! You did it. Wow, I'm proud of you.
We did it.
Dance challenge. What if like Abby has something back there and everybody's like trying to tell her y nosotras acá muy... Dude, so there was somebody that was not honking also.
And they were like flashing their lights.
That's
Like,
weird.
I appreciate you guys honking and like flashing your lights, but I have no idea what you guys are talking about.
Yeah. Are you scared? I'm a little nervous.
Oh, dude, like, what could it be?
No sé. If somebody else honks, then that means there is something on there.
Yeah. I mean, the tire doesn't look loose. Maybe my lights. Your lights.
What? Oh, what?
No, dude.
Then there was 2 cars that honked. The one behind you and then the one that was like next to you kept on flashing the lights too.
And the one that has cream bake too.
Like, oh yeah, and then the one at ice cream bay. Maybe they were trying to tell you something. But what if we were right there? Why didn't they talk to us?
Yeah.
Dude, look at the que esté colgando.
I mean, nothing can hit me because my thing's metal.
Oh!
So maybe it's falling off.
Maybe the metal's falling off.
Imagine, dude.
Se hubiera oído like dragging maybe or
No.
Imagine your placas fell off.
What the hell is this? Okay.
You're gonna stop?
Why is everybody honking?
Just don't stop.
Don't stop.
Jackie wants to go.
Oh my god, that was freaking hilarious.
I was like, what are they doing?
Oh my god, Abby, that was hilarious.
I was over here freaking out like, se me cayó algo, la luz no prende o qué
No, did you
fregado?
post it on your Snapchat?
No.
Okay,
not
don't
yet.
post it because I want to do it to Cari. But I need you to help me with Cari. But we need to do it during the day.
Oh, that's why the other people kept talking.
Yes, dude, and then like,
Did you guys forget or what?
no, dude, we knew. I went back. I was like, shut up. She doesn't know yet. Like, I don't want her to know because we were barely getting on. That's why she jumped in here.
I saw her face like,
Oh, that was so
that was a good one.
funny. That wasn't that good though, because not a lot of people honked. Dude, if it would have been during the day,
Yeah.
dude, you would have got so pissed. What are you guys talking at? I want to do a Takari though.
Girl, and I got a message like saying some disturbance has been recorded on your Jeep.
Really?
Yeah.
Stop!
For real.
Are you serious?
Yeah. And so like when I walked out, I was like, oh, a lo mejor se fueron o algo.
Oh my
I
god.
just zoomed that out, girl.
Oh my god. Okay, Abby, how did you feel?
I felt betrayed. Like this whole time.
Both of your sisters were in it. Your dad was in it.
Oh, my dad saw it?
Yeah.
Bye, guys. Good night.
Good night.
Bye.
Bye.
One eternity later.
Hopefully she's not coming. Okay, you guys, so clearly, ew, why do I look bald-headed? So clearly it is a couple of days later, and now I am going to do the prank to my friend Karina. We couldn't do it that same day because it got really late and whatever. So now it is a couple days later, and we're gonna do the prank on her. Now Abby is in it this time. I don't really know what's gonna happen next, so we're just gonna wing it. I got you good.
And all of this was Jackie's idea. So, here's the tape. Oh, dumb.
Last time, you'll see. That was kind of fun, but not really voice. So we finally made it to Rio, guys.
Our plan is to tell Karina that we don't want her to walk in heels and everything, because we probably tell her far, and be like, let me just pull up the Jeep.
She does already know because
Right.
she clearly saw the
But
sign.
she doesn't know what it says.
And you're dumb. Because why'd you bring her over here?
Huh?
Why did you bring her?
She wants to be here. It's because we're sitting like right there,
Oh.
dude. Vamos a pagar.
We are currently valet parking,
Yes.
and I'm totally not up for this, but I guess she is. And she is back.
Please don't crash my car because
Sam's gonna kill you.
Sam will kill me.
If Sam was here.
If Sam was here,
If Sam was here, he wouldn't let you borrow those keys.
if Sam was here, I would not let you borrow my car. No.
Jackie, if you're seeing this, you owe me a Starbucks coffee because, yeah.
Say hi. This car's driving really bad according to Karina.
Bro, look at him. Bro, look.
What?
Míralo.
Ay, ay.
Hey. Get pull over, girls. They have to follow us.
Why was he flashing you the lights?
I got things to do, places to be. I don't got time for this. Wow.
I was like, she's gonna come to the back. I already know it. Bye. Oh my god, I have to pee. I freaking hate this. I cannot see. I don't even know if I'm focused or not. If you guys haven't noticed, I got burned when I was really little. But anyway, that's not what I was gonna say. But if you guys haven't noticed already, I have not had my glasses because my beautiful, lovely dog, Lila, chewed up my glasses. But anyways, that is beside the point. So this is future me. This is me editing this vlog or this prank, and I realized, or I was at the end of the video and I realized that I didn't close out the video. I know I've said this like a million billion times. I know my channel isn't big or where I want it to be yet. These videos do take a lot of time, and a lot of people ask me like why I don't post like more frequently or more often, or like 3-4 times a week. And because I do work a full-time job, you know, it's very time consuming. This is very time consuming. Creating a video, editing, everything that you guys see, I do it all myself. So it is very, very, very time consuming, but I love doing it. I enjoy doing it. If I didn't like it, I wouldn't be here at 2:22 in the morning still editing. But that's mainly the reason why I haven't been as consistent. It's not because I don't want to post, it's because sometimes my schedule can be very tight, and because we had the lean back event, you know, I was more focused on that, of course. But enough with that. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. I have not forgotten about the giveaway. I do still plan to do that giveaway. A lot of you guys have been sending me like different suggestions. I'm gonna be making a poll on my Instagram with the final 2 options as to what you guys want the giveaway to be. So be on the lookout for that. It's either gonna be money again, because a lot of people said money, or AirPods. But again, that's gonna be your guys' call. I'm gonna be making that poll. Just make sure that you vote. With that being said, don't forget to follow me on all my social medias. I will link them, or they're always linked down below in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, don't forget to subscribe, give it a big thumbs up, share this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!